Completeness assertions for sales and accounts receivables to ensure the accuracy of sales and accounts receivables. To determine if the transaction was recorded and complete for sale and accounts receivable, the auditor uses completeness as one of the assertions of auditing. This video clip will cover a variety of characteristics of completeness. Do all recordable transactions from the period appear in sales and receivables? Confirm the total recorded amounts in the subsidiary ledger with the accounts receivable amount recorded in the general ledger by comparing. Performing analytical procedures and auditing data analytics. Use the appropriate sources of data, e.g. prior experience, budgets prepared by management at the beginning of the period, non-financial data, industry information, and interrelationships to develop expectations to compare with management's presentations. Compare ratios for the current period, such as the accounts receivable turnover ratio, net credit sales/average accounts receivable, with those from previous periods and industry norms. Keep track of the numerical sequence of sales-related documents, including sales orders, shipping documents, and invoices. In order to confirm if the related sales were recorded at the time of sale, compare shipping documents with sales invoices and journal entries. Sales completeness assertions. Recording all sales. Ensure that all sales transactions that happened during the period are documented. Cut-off procedures, making sure that the sales are recorded in the correct accounting period. Reconciliation. In order to guarantee completeness, it is necessary to compare sales records with shipping documents and customer orders. Accounts receivables completeness assertions. Inclusion of all receivables, making certain that all receivables that need to be recorded are included in the financial statements. Reconciliation with subsidiary ledgers. In order to ensure that all receivables are accounted for, it's important to match the accounts receivable subsidiary ledger with the general ledger. Subsequent receipts testing, confirming that cash receipts received after the end of the period were used to collect receivables recorded there. Audit procedures. Sales cutoff testing, checking sales transactions at the end of the period to make sure they are recorded in the correct period. Reconciliation procedures, make sure the total of the accounts receivable subsidiary ledger matches the balance of accounts receivable in the general ledger. Confirmation of receivables, verifying customer amounts owed to the company by sending confirmation requests. Completeness flowchart. A flowchart is presented to illustrate the completeness assertions for sales and accounts receivables. 1. Sales completeness. 2. Record all sales. 3. Cut-off procedures. 4. Reconciliation with shipping documents. 5. Accounts receivables completeness. 6. Include all receivables. 7. Reconciliation with subsidiary ledgers. 8. Subsequent receipts testing. Contact us. Telephone number 51682231006316235100. Email address support@infotaxsquare.com. Website infotaxsquare.com. Office address 2310 Hempstead Turnpike, Suite 3, East Meadow, New York 11554. Thank you and God bless you.